What's up guys, Gabby here. It's been a while, but I am back and let me explain why I look a little bit ridiculous. It looks like I just got out of the shower, but to be honest, I just got back home and it is absolutely pouring outside and I didn't have an umbrella. So I was walking back home. It took me like 20-25 minutes to walk back home. And when I mean it's pouring, I mean it is pouring outside. And you know, I didn't have an umbrella and there were barely any people outside. There were mostly cars driving past. And I was having such an incredible time walking in the rain because it made me think of my childhood. I remember, especially during summer times when it was pouring like crazy outside, me and my friends, we used to go out and just like play in the rain. We would dance in the rain. You know, I would pretend that I controlled the weather, especially when it was like lightning and thunder outside. You know, every time like the lightning hit, I would be like, oh, I made it happen. I don't know, it was just such a fun time. And I read this book recently called The Untethered Soul, and it's by Michael A. Singer. Highly recommend if you guys want to read a mind-blowing, beautiful book that is sort of spirituality related, personal growth related. It's phenomenal. And I read it and so many things resonated with me, and there were some new things that I learned as well. But as I was walking today in the rain, I was thinking, you know what? There's no such thing as bad weather, especially where I am in the Netherlands. It rains so often and people say, oh my God, you know, it's such bad weather. It's such awful weather. This weather is just so bad. But the weather isn't bad, right? It's just our judgment of it, because there are people who love rain the same way how there are people that love snow and people that don't love snow. So if you are somebody that loves snow, you're gonna be like, oh my, every time what's the word? Snows. Every time it snows, you're gonna be like, look at the weather, it's incredible, I wanna go outside. But if you are somebody that doesn't like snow, every single time it's gonna snow, you're gonna say, oh my God, the weather is horrible, I don't wanna go outside. So today, as I was walking home, right, and I didn't have an umbrella, and I am soaked. When I mean that I am soaked, I am absolutely like, I have water dripping out of my hair, my coat is soaked, like my jeans are soaked. I was just laughing and smiling because I was thinking to myself, there's no such thing as bad weather, there's only our judgment of it. It is pouring right now and I am absolutely soaked. You know what? There's no such thing as bad weather. It's simply rain, it's simply water coming down from the sky, but it's our judgment that makes it bad weather. It's not bad weather if you like rain and if you can enjoy it. It's actually good weather. It looks like I just got out of the shower. Look at this. Look at my hair. Oh, I love it. And there are so many things upon which we put our bad judgment on it, right? And the thing is, I really don't want you to take it out of context, because I feel like, especially nowadays with all the, you know, books and psychology books and personal development books and spirituality books and spiritual leaders and so much incredible knowledge of how we can better ourselves and how we can grow. People who are very pessimistic of these things, or somebody who just, I don't know, is unhappy, they love to take these things out of context, right? And if right now I say there's no such thing as bad or good thing, there's only our judgment of it, somebody is gonna say, yeah, but what about, you know, like abusive relationships, or what about, you know, things that are happening, blah, 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 blah. Yes, there are bad things that are happening, right? And if you are in an abusive relationship, I'm not saying that it's good. That's not what I'm talking about here. So I just really want to say that use your common knowledge, right? But also don't take things out of context. But at the end of the day, there is no such thing as something good or something bad, right? Bad weather, good weather. You know, for example, I don't know, a bad food and a good food. For example, I know people that love a certain dish, and I know that people who say, oh my God, that's the worst thing I've ever tasted, right? It's our judgment of it. It's our preference of it. So I don't know, I just felt so inspired to record this because I had such a fun time walking in the rain. And yeah, I think that as we grow up, we lose that playfulness of life, right? Just enjoying what is. Suddenly, when it's raining outside, we say, oh, it's horrible, I don't want to go outside, it ruined my plans, it's just tragic. And we are stuck in traffic and we say, oh my God, this is the worst day ever, this is killing me. So much of the language that we use affects how we feel. And if we didn't put our harsh judgment on situations like weather or traffic or things getting delayed, or for example, I don't know, something being out of stock in your favorite store, you saying, oh my God, this is horrible, this is tragic, this is just killing me that they don't have my favorite chocolate. Is it really killing you though? No, it's not. But yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to make this quick video, and I want to go back to making videos because I've just been really busy, and I have other responsibilities and things going on in life, so you know, I kind of had to stop making so many videos. But yeah, so at the end of the day, enjoy the rain, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the snow, go dance in the rain, go play in the rain, just bring back that curiosity and that playfulness of just taking things as is and not putting your judgment on it, and not using harsh vocabulary and things that really should not you know, make you so angry or upset or disappointed. So yeah, here I am, completely soaked, having the time of my life. I had such a fun walk back home, and I'm gonna go change into some warm clothes right now and make a cup of tea. So thanks so much for clicking on this video or watching this video if you made it this far. I really appreciate it, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!